Hey Legend fans, Jake here from Legend Boats, and I am super excited today to be doing a full on-water walkthrough of our all-new Legend Uttern S53. Let's go check it out. Climbing aboard this Uttern S53, I just wanted to point out that S53 does stand for 5.3 meters, which converts to 17 feet. Just makes it a little easier for us. So climbing aboard this 17-foot center console, the first thing I notice is how open it is here. There is tons of room at this beautiful helm here. And I just wanted to highlight one of my favorite features here is the convertible captain's chair. So this does have convertible seating, which doubles as a full rear lounger here. So I just put the backrest completely to the front position, and I can now lounge out at the back here, putting my feet up on the back and just enjoying it. Underneath where my feet are, under this massive storage compartment, opening this rear latch here, it has a full storage compartment underneath dedicated for your starting battery, along with tons of room for anything else and a full battery switch in there. Note, you can leave the battery switch off at all times when you're not running the boat or if it's sitting at the dock. This is a full self-bailing hull, which means any water that gets into here, it does not need anything to pump it out. It will just run out on its own through the two massive drain holes, and it will exit the boat without any worries. So that's a great feature. Moving towards the back here behind the seating are the two massive swim platforms we have at the back here. We have our full ski and wakeboard bar right around the motor if you're doing any water sports, anything like that. And then just to make it easier for you to get back in, we have that full fold up step ladder. Moving up to the helm here in this S53, just before we get started, I wanted to showcase this nice secured storage underneath the center console here. It just makes for a nice spot to keep items nice and safe, keeps everything dry there. So we're going to go ahead and just move this backwards here, and we're going to showcase the helm. So starting on the right hand side here, we have our Fusion sound system, full Bluetooth, AM, FM, and USB capabilities. Moving up here, we have two nice cup holders here, as there is plenty of room for two people to enjoy this boat at the console here. Up top, we have a full personal items compartment. It's a nice spot to put your phones, wallets, keys, anything like that you want to keep handy and just easy access to. We have our dual USB plugins on the side here. It's charging. We have our speedometer, fuel gauge, trim, and RPM in our traditional analog gauges. And then we have a flush-mounted Simrad full GPS fish finder system in the center here. This does also do digital speedometer along with full navigation and everything as well. Moving down the left-hand side, we have our two switches, one for our bilge and one for our navigation and anchor lights. At the steering wheel of the Utterns, every Uttern does come standard with hydraulic steering in them. So it makes it super easy to turn the wheel on these, and they drive amazing. And plus plenty of room to access our control box, which is mounted right in the center here for driving. Moving to the bow of the S53, I just wanted to highlight this grab rail around the windshield here. It's very sturdy and makes it super easy getting into the boat, or when you're just out on the water and it gets a little rough, just something nice to hold on to. Another great feature is the full SeaDek flooring throughout the entire S53. It's in that beautiful cognac color, and it really pulls everything together. So moving up to the bow now, you're going to see one of three variations for this bow. So right now it's in the sun lounging mode. The snap-in cushions are in place. So if you want to enjoy a nice day out on the water, lounging out, this would be the setup you would have it in. Next, we're going to show you the walk-through bow along with the dinette variation at the end. Showcasing the second variation of the bow on this S53, we are in the walk-through bow variation. So just wanted to showcase the seating around, able to walk right up to the front here. And a cool little feature is just removing that center cushion, giving you access to a full step-out bow. So just making it getting in and out of the boat a little bit easier, and full walk through right up to the front storage here, which your anchor and line storage. So just nice, easy access to that. Underneath both your front seats are massive storage compartments. Just open them right up like this. And on the right hand side here, we have the post for our table, which we're going to show you in the third variation, which is our dinette variation. Now showing the third variation of the bow here on this S53, we're going to set up our dinette variation. So we're going to start off by removing the table post from the front lounger here up on the port side. We're going to place the post directly into the base, and we're going to open our largest storage compartment on the S53, which is built right into the helm. This thing is massive, and it also houses our built-in fire extinguisher that's hanging right on the wall here. We have our electronic cooler that plugs in at the helm, and then it also houses, it's home to our dinette table. So we're just going to go ahead, close up that compartment, and we're just going to place the table right on the post. And that's it. Now we have our full third variation, which is our dinette variation of the S53. Thanks for checking out this walkthrough on our brand new Uttern S53. If you'd like more information about this boat, make sure to contact your local Legend dealer or check out legendboats.com to explore the entire Uttern lineup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.